So I'm coming to you from my porch. And I'm gonna show you the situation today here. The first major snowstorm started last night. So, karon under me sa blizzard warning. So, hangin kayo. So, ni karon no. Lahom kayo. And then, ang ice na sa table, sa chairs. Here, see? Under blizzard warning. See, tanawa ang hangin kayo, and then you can see snow flying, you know, ang snow dust flying, and then far distance it's foggy and it's zero visibility. Ay, ginoo, Lord Jesus, grabe kayo. So dagan na kayo nag-start to clean, but here I decided to just clean before my husband comes para dili mo balik ang snow. But look at the kalawom sa snow. It's grabe kayo. So akong tiilo. See? Hangtod sa ang snow is knee high. So now it's lunchtime, and I will be making very popular street food in Korea, the tteokbokki. So this is my version of tteokbokki. Bisag gamay ra kung gihibot ang chili paste, still halang, no? Halang gyapon. But it is manageable. First time I tried the spicy rice cake in Korea. Grabe kahalang, but grabe kalami. But then when I tried, when I came back, and I tried, and I follow the recipe, wala, nagkaon akong family ako ra. Nga tungod sa kahalang. I can tolerate, but my family cannot. So, kinigid, isa ra gyud ka tablespoon of chili paste I can, add to the menu. Otherwise, it's too chili. This is apple cider juice. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. And if you're from Toronto, if you're from Canada, stay warm and be safe. Bye.